This is the Magic 4 from Kospet. It's a fourth in their line of these watches with all kinds of goodies in here. Nice graphics, overall great brightness. You've got settings and vibration and Bluetooth tethering, a special theater mode that's going to reduce the brightness and silence all the interruptions, and a low power mode that basically does the same thing, as well as extending your overall battery life. Beyond that, you've got step count, information, and last night's sleep time, heart rate, blood pressure, all shown on individual screens, and weather in your area, a remote shutter for taking pictures, remote player for playing music on your phone as well. When you come this way, you get into all of your different activities, steps and sleep time, but this time now you see a whole lot more detail, including a graph of exactly when you did your steps and your overall summary. You have sleep time broken up with summaries from different days into the chart of your actual sleep time, along with your breakdown from short and long and awake times. In heart rate, it immediately starts doing your heart rate reading, and once it's finished, you can come back and see what your continuous heart rate chart looks like as well. I just had it off for a while so you can see it's accurately computing it for every few minutes. You've got also the same kind of thing with blood pressure, systolic, diastolic, but on this one, and rather than being continuous, it's giving you your last 7 readings overall. You've got weather, as we mentioned before, and all these other activities. You even have a couple of games in this one, rounding out the watch. It's a fun one, lots of interesting watch faces. You can make your own face or download some from their server. Really thin watch, well built, 5 atmosphere waterproof, Bluetooth 5 in this one, removable TPU bands. It's a winner. It's called the Kospet MAGIC 4. Check it out.